Hello, my name is Ruth, and I would like to help you learn new words in English. Join me next for Hello Word Power on Hello Channel.
Do you want to learn English but can't leave home? Let English come to you on Hello Channel.
Hello, welcome to Hello Word Power. My name is Ruth. Today we're learning words in English that begin with the letter Y. Capital Y, small y. The letter Y is the 25th letter of the English alphabet. Y is a consonant that sometimes acts like a vowel. Y makes the sound y, y. You try it, y. That's correct. Are you ready to learn? Let's begin. Yacht, yacht. You say it. Repeat. That's right, yacht. A yacht is a large boat or a small ship used for pleasure or racing. The couple ate their lunch on the back of the yacht. Yacht. Yard, yard. You say it. Repeat. That's right, yard. Yard has several meanings. Yard means a unit of length equal to 3 feet or 36 inches. A football field is 100 yards long. Yard also means an area of ground surrounding or next to a house, school, or other building. The children play in the yard. Year, year. You say it. Repeat. That's right, year. A year is a period of 12 months, 52 weeks, or 365 days. The teacher taught the class for 1 year. Year. Yell, yell. You say it. Repeat. That's right, yell. Yell means to shout, to cry out or scream loudly. The lost child yells for his mother. Yells. Yellow, yellow. You say it. Repeat. That's right, yellow. Yellow is one of the 3 primary colors along with red and blue. Yellow is the color of lemons and butter and the yolk of an egg. The room is painted yellow. Yellow. Yes, yes. Do you know this one? You say it. Repeat. That's right, yes. Yes is a word that's used to show you agree that something is true. The student answered yes when asked if she had finished her homework. Yes. Yesterday, yesterday. You say it. Repeat. That's right, yesterday. Yesterday means the day before today. The visitor arrived yesterday. Yesterday. We'll be right back after a short break with more Hello Word Power.
Learn English at home.
Just say hello.
For a brighter future, just say hello.
Welcome back to Hello Word Power. Are you ready to learn more words in English? Let's begin. Yet. Yet. You say it. Repeat. Very good. Yet. Yet means up until now. I have not yet received a letter in the mail. Yet. Yield. Yield. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Yield. Yield means to produce something. The field yields many potatoes. Yogurt. Yogurt. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Yogurt. Yogurt is a slightly sour food prepared from milk. Many people eat yogurt for breakfast. She likes to eat yogurt. Yogurt. Yolk. Yolk. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Yolk. A yolk is the yellow part of the egg. The yolk is yellow. Yolk. You. You. Now it's your turn to try it. Say the word you. Repeat. That's right. You means the person or people that someone is speaking or writing to. You have received mail. You are watching Word Power. You. Young. Young. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Young means not old. The child is young. Young. Your. Your. You say it. Repeat. Well done. Your means belonging to or having to do with you. That is your bicycle. Your. Yourself. Yourself. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Yourself. Yourself means your own self. Help yourself to some more food. Yourself. Youth. Youth. You say it. Repeat. That's right. Youth. Youth means the time of life when a person is no longer a child, but is not yet an adult. Generally, a youth is between the ages of 13 and 18. The years of your youth is when you have the most energy. Youth. You did very well today. Now, practice some of the new words you learned on Hello Word Power. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.